Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I am going to show you how to make a group on Snapchat. So let's dive in. The first thing you want to do is go ahead and launch Snapchat. Then you want to click on the new chat icon, the blue icon on the bottom right corner of your screen. Then you want to go ahead and click on new group. So now you can go ahead and add your friends. All you have to do is tap on the people that you want to add. So you add your friends. So for example, and you need to have friends in order to add them, and you want to name your group next. So I'm going to name my group, for example, here, and then you want to click chat with group. So click chat with group, and I have created my group. Very easy and simple. All you have to do is click on the new chat icon, click on new group, add your friends, name the group, and you can chat with the group. You can also add new friends. So all you have to do is look for the friends that you want to add, and all you have to do is select them and add them. And that is how you do it, guys. If you found this information helpful, please be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe.